We're gonna get, what is it? What are we getting?
Are you harassing me about the salad bar with the sneeze guard again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we're dining over there with.
Let's go somewhere.
Thank you. Get something to drink.
No, it's fine. What?
Thank you. Get something to drink.
Yeah, I'll have a Coke.
I'd like a Pepsi, please.
Oh, Pepsi.
Oh, there's a
That
huge
was coming.
difference. There's a huge difference.
Sweet tea.
Regular tea? I can bring you sugar.
Yeah, be fine.
Okay. Tea?
What is this, Eastern Europe?
There's such a huge difference in soda and fountain soda.
Yeah.
No, the word that I was looking for was
Smorgasbord.
buffet.
Buffet. Oh. Yeah, we're having a buffet.
You'll like it.
The roasted turkey and provolone.
Well, it was turkey and had bacon and tomato and onion. Well, I didn't have onion in it, but I can take the onion out.
Yeah,
And salad bar.
and the salad bar. You can stop that.